connected really lahat sa culture and traditions or the own identity of Ilocanos.
The Karkarma is a manifestation of legend, the Ilocanos, and it is a modern day tale incorporating that legend.
The Karkarma film is really very timely kasi nalipatan na dagiti dadto mga ubing itatan digitay nga pampanunot ti composition ti kinatao. I watch Karkarma because I want to renew my belief again, and I want to know also that youngsters are also interested to know that there is something in that human soul.
All of the technicalities improve the film's effect to its audience. So for me, Karkarma did not just impress me, but it inspired me, to be an Ilocano.
Karkarma has given me a different perspective of how I see Ilocos Norte. I really love the bird's eye view, the aerial angles. It made me say, wow, Ilocos Norte ba talaga ito? I was saying I need to go to these places. I need to shoot on this location. And it was a nostalgic feeling. I had that story told to me when I was a kid about the fish with earrings, and then looking at it in reality right now, combination of animation, the storytelling, the actors. I congratulate the production team, the director, for giving us this perspective. Hopefully, the Ilocano people will see this. Kung may masasabi man ako sa Karkarma K, may K ang Karkarma.
Karkarma is really a good depiction of our culture and even the creativity of us Ilocanos.
So when I've heard about Karkarma, the first that came to my mind would be siguro yung mga readings ko about it. Because I also love reading about Ilocano Namayanan studies. So that's why I got really parang interested on ano yung magiging material based on this concept.
Honestly, as an arts and design student, I'm so speechless. It will change your point of view talaga. It will change how you believe, how you see things around you.
Being Tisang in that movie, of course, I'm happy seeing different places at saka mga kasama ko ng mga crew. I met new people.